Guys, hi. I am Sal from Kampala, Uganda. I do make wigs. I'm a wig maker. So guys, look at this wig. One of my clients got it for me here at the shop to make she told me that, sir, I bought this wig in the United States of America, but when I bought it I had some braids on, so I didn't try it out. But when I reached home here in Uganda, uh after a month, I tried out this wig, but this wig failed to fit my head cause it was small. So I have no solution about this wig. But can you do anything about this wig so that I can wear it? I love it so much. And I told her, yes, I'll see what we can do. So guys, what I saw is the net, the wig cap was a little bit small. So even me, I have braids on my head, so I told my niece to try this wig on. But when she tried it on, it was only covering a half of her head. So then we knew that the wig cap they had put on this wig, it was too small. So we had to remove the wig cap. We had to remove each and everything. So this is the new wig cap you are seeing here on the screen. So we had to transfer these cornrows, these braids to this wig by sewing them on. So here the finishing that I had done, sewing the finishing on. So my niece is going to do the back part, as you are seeing here on our screen, guys. That's the only solution we had to do on this wig. We had no other option than that, guys. But that's what we had to do, guys. But before I go ahead, guys, can you kindly subscribe to my channel? I do really appreciate, guys. We've reached 701, guys. I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for always subscribing, liking. I wish you can also comment, guys. You know I love you so much. Though I don't know you guys, I think we can get to know each other through comment sections, guys. So guys, I had to cut this extra part inside so that the wig can sit on the head very well. If I don't cut that extra part inside, the wig can look so weird, So the wig, the cap we changed, it was looking like that. This one I'm cutting now. Here, guys, that's how it looked like, guys. But I don't know why I'm so excited about this wig, and I can't wait for my client to try it on. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys, so much. My niece is my niece, they I don't know what to say, but my niece, they are in holidays now, so I work with them. I love them so much. Yeah, guys, look at this. I'm going to give my niece to do the remaining work. that that is the back part. She's the one working on it. She's going to work on that, guys. So guys, let's work. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Mwah. Sending you kisses.
Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far. Hasn't the pace been a long bit, honey? Take a look at where we are. Isn't the day so exciting? Oh, honey, when I wake up, I'm feeling brand new. All I can say is I look like new money, and the only thing I know is true. I owe it to you, you, you. I owe it to you, you, you. I owe it to you, you, you. I owe it to you. Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far.
So guys, here is our final results. This is how it's looking. This is how it's looking, guys. What do you think about this wig, guys? Just let me know in the comment section, guys. You know, just